Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all are keeping well. And today again I will do the same chapter. Every drop counts, okay? And last time I explained half of the questions only, okay? Because that time video was paused, so I couldn't complete, okay? Again I will repeat the same question, okay? From here, find out. Is there a lake, well or step well near your house or school? Visit it and find out more about it. So, in your school or near your house, whether there is a lake, well or step well, you have to visit that place, and you have to find many more things about that lake, well or step well. Okay, how old is it? Who got it built? So around your school, if there is a lake, then you have to find out how old is that lake and who built that lake. You have to write. Okay, what kinds of buildings are around it? So in that lake, so near that lake, what are the types of buildings are there? You have to write. Is the water clean? Is it cleaned regularly? So that whether that water is clean or not, and are they cleaning that lake regularly or not? You have to write. Okay, who all use the water? Then if there is lake near your school, then who all uses that water? You have to write. Okay, is there any festival celebrated at this place? So here if one well is near your house, so in that place any people celebrate festivals in that lake, you have to write. Okay, is there any water today or is it dry? So you have to find out that whether that lake is still there, whether the water is in the lake or not. Okay, or it has dried. You have to write. Okay, so think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. So in the year 1986, there was a place called Jodhpur. Okay, so near that area, Jodhpur and the surrounding areas, there was no rain. Okay, people remembered the old and forgotten step well. So that time there was no water. So that time people of Jodhpur thought of the old step well. Okay, and which they have forgotten to clean. So they cleaned the step well, and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. So that time in shortage of water, they cleaned that step well, and from that step well they took out more than 200 trucks of garbage. Okay, people of the area collected money. Then that time all people of Jodhpur, they collected money. Okay, the thirsty town got water from the shore. After that, the all town was in need of water. So after that, they got water from the step well. After a few years, it rained well. Again, the step well was forgotten, and after few years, again there was rain. Okay, and again that people of Jodhpur forgotten the step well. So here we have to discuss. There are two old wells in the area where Punita lives. So there is a girl named called Punita. Okay, and where Punita lives, there are two old wells in the area. Her grandmother says that about 15 to 20 years ago, there was water in these wells. And Punita's grandmother says to her that before 15 to 20 years ago there was water in those two wells. Okay, the wells could have dried up because, so now these two wells have already dried up. Okay, then let's read the reasons why that too those wells dried up. Okay, we will read the reasons. Water is being pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motors. Why it is dried? Because they used to pump the water from under the ground with the help of electric motors. The lakes in which rainwater used to collect are no longer there. So there was lake. Okay, and in that lake, when there was rain, that time rain used to get collect in that lake. So now there is no more lakes, so that is the reason. Okay, now that lake is dried up. The soil around trees and parks is now covered with cement. So near the lake, the soil around the trees and parks, they all are covered with cement. Okay, so because of that also there is no water. Is there some other reason for this? Explain. So if there are any reasons, you think it and you write it. Okay, the story today. Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. See page 57 and discuss. Do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick on that. If you get water by some other way, write in your notebook. So now let's move on to the page number 57. So here you can see the pictures. Okay, where people get water, from where people get water. So if you get water in this way, you have to tick it. Okay, and if you don't get water in this way, or if you get water by some other way, then you have to write it in your notebooks. Okay, a Jal boat water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. So in picture you can see a Jal boat water tanker comes to that colony 2 times a day. Okay, we have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. So in order to get water from that tanker, what they have to stand in a line. Okay, the people of that area has to stand in a line. People at times have fights over water. So when they are standing in line, that time sometimes people will fight with each other in order to get water from the tanker. Okay, we fill water from the well, and in second they will fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. So you can see the well, but now that well is already dried. Okay, now we have to walk far to reach the other well. So in order to get water, so they have to go to another well. Okay, but that well is far. Okay, we are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste, and there are also some low caste people. So because of their low caste, they are not allowed to take water from some wells. Okay, we get water at home for half an hour, and there you can see it in the picture, third picture. People will get they are getting water at home only, but only for half an hour. Okay, we fill this in the tank to use all day, and they will fill this tank to use all day. Okay, sometimes it is dirty, so and that half an hour only they are getting water, and sometimes that water will be also too much dirty. Okay, We get water from our taps all day long, and in this picture you can see that they get water from the taps that also whole day. Okay, they will get whole day. There is a hand pump. You can see this one is hand pump. There is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. Though there is hand pump, but they will get water also, but that water is very salty. Okay, we have to buy water for drinking, so that water is salty, so because of that they have to buy water in order to drink. Okay, and you can see in the picture we have a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Okay, now these people, they have a pump and which is directly connected with the Jal Board pipeline. Okay, now we don't have any problem, so these people doesn't face any problem in order to get water. Okay, we have put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell. Here the people in this picture, the people have put a borewell in order to pump up the water. Okay, but there is no electricity, so what do we do? In order to pump water from borewell, we need electricity, but there is borewell, but there is no electricity. So the person is saying that, so what can we do? Okay, and in this last picture, we get water from the canal itself. So these people gets water from the canal. Okay, canal itself. So now discuss. Everyone has the right to live. So every people can live. Okay, and everyone has the right. Yet is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? So though every people has the right to live, but all the people are getting water. Okay, water to live or drink. Okay, why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Because every people doesn't get water. Okay, in every place there is no plenty of water, so in some places people have to buy water for drinking. Okay, should it be like this? So the question is asking that, should it be like this? Water on this earth is for one and all. So because the water, this water, those who are, is for all the people. Okay, some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. So in order to get water, some people, they will use bore well to pump water. Okay, how far is it correct? So whether this statement is how far it is correct. Okay, have you ever seen this? Why do some people put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline? And you have seen the people, some people connecting the pipeline directly in the Jal Board. Okay, so the question is asking that, have you ever seen? Okay, what problems would other people face due to this? Do you have any such experience? So if people put directly in the Jal Board their pipeline, then that people face experience. No, so if you have such type of experience, you have to write. Okay, look at this bill and tell. Here you can see the bill. From which office has this bill come, and from where this bill come, you have to write. Do you get a water bill at home? Find out from where it is sent. So if in your home, if you get a water bill, so that bills comes from which place, you have to find out. Okay, why do you think Delhi Sarkar, government of Delhi is written under Delhi Jal Board? So here, why do you think Delhi Sarkar written under the Delhi Jal Board? You have to write the reasons. In whose name is the bill? And when you get bill, that this bills comes in whose name? Okay, how much money do they have to pay for each month? And for each month, how much money they have to pay? Okay, do you have to pay for water? So if you have to pay, then yes. Okay, then how much? If you are paying, then how much you are paying for water? Is the rate of water different in different colonies? Yes, because in different colonies there will be different rates. Okay, ask your elders. So you have to ask these questions to your elders. It can be done. There are some groups that work hard to bring water to the people of different areas, and there are some people who works hard to bring water to the people of different areas. Okay, they ask the elders about the water arrangement in their times, and what they do, they ask the elders to arrange water. Okay, they rebuild the old lakes and johars and also build new ones, and that people, they again build the old lakes and johars, and they also build new lakes also. Okay, let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Singh helped Darki Mai. So now let us read. This is Darki Mai. This you can see the picture. This is Darki Mai. Okay, she lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan, and this Darki Mai lives in a village called Alwar district, which is in Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals, and this lady, what she used to do, whole day she used to spend her most of the time looking after her home and animals. Okay, sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals, and sometimes what happened, whole night that lady used to pull water from the wells for the animals. Okay, in the summer, when the wells dried up, they have to leave the village, and in summer, when the wells were dried up, that lady have to leave that village. Okay, Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help, and this lady heard about this group named Tarun Bharat Singh. Okay, and this lady asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake, and this Tarun Bharat Singh and the village people decided to make a lake. Okay, the problem of food and water for animals is now less. So because these people built a new lake, so now there is less problem of food and water for animals. People get more milk now. People, they are getting more milk than before. They have started earning more. Now people have started earning more than before. Okay, this is from the book Char Gau Ki Katha. Have you ever read this kind of news in any newspaper? How did people solve their problem of water? Did they repair and reuse any old lake or step well? Like this story only, whether you have heard, if you have heard, okay, then you have to write yes. Okay, how did people then how people solve this type of problem related to water? Okay, then that whether that people had repaired and reused the old lake or step well. You have to write. What we have learned. Make a poster. Do you remember the slogan, water on earth is one, for one and all? And children, and do you know this slogan, water on earth is for one and all? Think of some other such slogans, draw pictures and make a nice poster. So this one, what you have to do is, you don't have to make a poster, but what you do is, you write these types of slogans in your notebooks, okay? And draw pictures also. Bring a water bill, look at it and tell. This bill is from dash date to dash date. So if there, what you have to do is, you have to, if you get bill at your home, there you see, and this bill is from which date to which date. You have to write how much money is to be paid for this bill, and in that bill how much money you have to pay, okay? What else can you see in the bill, like the money spent on repair, maintenance, etc. So in that bill, what are the things that you see, like the money spent on repair, maintenance, etc. You have to write everything. And I hope students, till here you have understood. If you have any confusion, you can tell me, okay? And here in this book, here are less questions and answers. So I will prepare by myself some questions and answers. That one also you write it in your notebooks, okay? And here in books also, here are some questions, and that answers I will send you through WhatsApp. Thank you.